A Coruna is a busy town in the autonomous community Galicia in northwest Spain. Sailors love A Coruna as it is the logic start or end point for ships crossing the Bay of Biscay. Well sheltered in Ria Coruna, the two major marinas, Real Club Nautico and Marina Coruna, can be entered at any tide or weather. The approach is straightforward and easy, also at night. In fall, fog may make an approach difficult though. We stayed at Marina Coruna, the first marina coming in from the sea. There's plenty of visitor berths, floating pontoon fingers, for all sizes of boats and provides great amenities. We paid around €170 for 1 week in September with our 12-meter boat. That included water, electricity and showers. The marina is protected by wavebreakers, but occasionally you will feel some swell from big ships entering or leaving the huge industrial port. As in most Spanish marinas, have your passports and ship's document ready when checking in. The town has two well-visible landmarks, the modern port control tower and the ancient Tower of Hercules. The 55-meter high Tower of Hercules overlooking the northern Atlantic coast of Spain was built in the 2nd century and has been used as a lighthouse ever since. This makes it the oldest Roman lighthouse in use today. The second highest lighthouse of Spain is a National Monument of Spain and UNESCO World Heritage Site. Besides all that, I really love that place with its rocky coast, hidden beaches and especially the windrows representing Celtic tribes on the foot of the Tower of Hercules. Another distinct building is the San Anton Castle. Its construction began in 1587 and not even finished, it played a major role defending the city's walls in Sir Francis Drake's assault in 1589. This was also the time when Maria Pita took her killed husband's spear and successfully led the defense of Coruña with the famous battle cry, "Those with honor, follow me." But apart from great historic sites and female battle heroes, A Coruna intrigues by great architecture, quiet and less quiet beaches, culture and life. And by the way, La Coruña has one of Europe's longest beach promenades. And much more. Get on a boat, come here and find out.